Thursday, November 21st, 2024. Presentation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Focus. His mother and his brothers stood outside, asking to speak to him. Many prayer groups refer to their members as brother or sister. This fosters a feeling of belonging, kinship, and equality. Instead of societal distinction, there is spiritual unity. God is taken as the head of this family, and His word is the foundation of all that is said and done. Today's gospel is an oft interpreted one. It is also frequently misinterpreted to suit the mindset of some preachers who seek to discredit Catholic teachings that Mary had only one child, Jesus. The language of Jesus' time was Aramaic. It had the same word transliterated as aha for brother, half-brother, and male cousin. A bit of delving into tradition reveals that Joseph was probably no longer young when he married Mary. Jewish social norms favored early marriage, so Joseph could have been married once before and become a widower. His sons would then be called Jesus' brothers. In fact, they were his half-brothers. Mary's presentation was just another step in her eternal relationship with Jesus. As for us, Jesus' words show that spiritual kinship is universal and not just a matter of blood ties. A deep relationship with Jesus and with all who love God is the most edifying family experience we can ever have. Fruit. If our families are integrated into the framework of God's family, peace will reign in the family, society, and the world.